Hey guys, Miss Higgins here. We're going to go over your math review from Monday. From now on, we're just going to have 3 math review questions a day so that you have more time to work on your assignments. Let's look at the first question. It says Sam was making punch. 2/8 of the punch was cherry juice. I'm going to record that here. Cherry is 2/8. 4/8 of the punch was using strawberry juice. The rest was apple juice. Okay, so apple juice, we don't know how much that is. What fraction of the punch was apple and cherry juice? So we're going to be adding whatever apple is plus cherry. Now I see that my denominator is 8ths. So to figure out the missing amount for apple, we can combine cherry and strawberry. So that would be 4/8 plus 2/8 equals 6/8. Since our denominator is 8ths, that means 8/8 equals 1 whole. Right now we have 6/8 to get up to 1 whole. That would be 2 more 8ths. 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So now we know that the apple juice amount was 2/8 of the punch. Now we need to find apple plus cherry. So I know that the cherry is 2/8, so is the apple. So 2/8 plus 2/8 equals 4/8. So that's my answer. 4/8. We could even reduce or simplify that fraction to 1/2. And our units are 4/8 of the punch. Okay, let's look at the second problem. PS 249 expects 119 visitors. If each teacher can welcome 4 visitors, how many teachers are needed to greet them? Write an equation to represent the problem and solve. So if we're splitting up visitors between teachers, that means we're going to divide. So we're going to take 119 visitors and divide them into groups of 4. So remember, we're going to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So 4 can go into 1 0 times. 4 can go into 11 2 times, which is 8. We'll subtract, that equals 3, and bring down the 9. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So 4 can go into 39 9 times. We got a remainder of 3. Now we have to figure out what these numbers mean. So it looks like our quotient is 29. We have a remainder of 3. Let's read the problem again. If each teacher can welcome 4 visitors, how many teachers are needed to greet them? So it looks like we'll need 29 teachers, but there's going to be 3 visitors left over. We don't want those visitors to come to the school and have no one to greet them. I think we're going to need to add 1 more teacher to take care of those 3 visitors. So we're going to take our quotient of 29. We are going to add 1 more teacher. So our final answer will be 30 teachers. All right, and let's look at the last problem. What is the measure of the unknown angle in the figure? The first thing I'm seeing is a straight line on the bottom. I know that straight lines are 180 degrees. Now, I know that the whole thing is 180, and if I add up this one and this one and this one, they should equal 180. So I don't know the measure of the middle one, so I'm going to add 35 plus 45 and 5, 6, 7, 8. I get 80 degrees, and now I need to subtract that from 180 to find the missing amount. So I'll do 180 minus 80, and my answer is 100 degrees. So the measure of angle X is 100 degrees. So go ahead and check over your work, see if you got it right or wrong, and go ahead and make the corrections. Have a lovely day.